Hi, I'm Paul Virostek, sound editor at Pole Position Production. Our premium sound effect libraries now feature Pro Tools and Reaper editing sessions. In these sessions, all clips and takes are pre-aligned for easy editing and mixing. Let's take a look at our Harley-Davidson Night Train motorcycle sound effects library. You can easily switch between listening to the onboard mixes, and the exterior microphone positions. Let's listen. Stay tuned, we have more sound library features coming soon.